Cinnamon, chocolate, and coffee. What more could you want? These Mocha Cinnamon Rolls are sinfully good and pretty easy to make too. For the dough, combine flour, instant yeast, cocoa powder, sugar, and salt in a large bowl. Now, in a smaller bowl or ramekin, dissolve 2 tablespoons of instant coffee into 1.5 cups of warm milk. The coffee flavor won't be super noticeable, but it will definitely help to bring out the chocolate flavor in the cinnamon rolls. Pour the milk mixture, followed by melted butter, 1 whole egg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract into the dry ingredients. Then mix with your hands or the dough hook attachment of a stand mixer until a rough dough starts to come together. Don't worry if it looks a bit sticky at first, just keep kneading it, adding flour if you need to, until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. It should spring back slightly when you poke it. Cover the dough and let rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. In the meantime, prepare the filling by mixing together melted unsalted butter, brown or raw sugar, and ground cinnamon. As the mixture sits, it will thicken slightly into a spreadable paste. Once the dough has doubled in size, punch it down to release the air, then transfer to a lightly floured surface. Roll the dough into a rough rectangle about 1/4 inch thick. Now pour the filling onto the dough and use a spatula to spread it out evenly. Once you have a nice layer of delicious filling, let's kick it up a notch by sprinkling on mini chocolate chips. Now for the roll part of cinnamon rolls. Starting at the bottom end, gently roll the dough over the filling as tightly and evenly as you can. A trick to do this is to lightly pull the dough towards you as you roll, so you're always in full control. Now to cut your slices. An easy way to ensure you get even slices is to first cut directly in half, then cut those halves in half, and so on until you have 12 even slices. Place the rolls into a lightly greased 9 by 13 inch pan. Once they're all snugly in place, cover and let rise for another 1 to 2 hours. After they have risen, remove the plastic wrap and bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. When they come out of the oven, they'll need to cool slightly, and in that time you can make a quick frosting to go on top. Combine softened cream cheese and butter with powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and vanilla extract. For best results, use an electric mixer to beat the ingredients together until smooth. If it looks a little thick like this, you can just heat in the microwave in 10-second intervals until it's more liquid, and can be easily poured over the still warm cinnamon rolls. These were seriously one of my favorite recipes we've ever made. Definitely decadent, but you're worth it. Check out one of these other great videos and subscribe for new daily content.